oh, this is really cool. He is going to imitate either a bird or an animal, and your job is to try to guess what bird or animal he's imitating. Now, you don't have to raise your hands or nothing. Once you know it, just scream it out. Okay, Taco, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right. Dog, right?
Yeah, dog.
Okay. Ready for the next one? Man, y'all are doing fantastic. Okay, Taco, we're ready for the next one.
Okay. Oink, 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 oink.
Fantastic. Okay, Taco, how about the next one?
Okay. A hard one.
Horse? Horse? Horse?
Horse, yeah.
All right. How about another one, Taco?
Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Dog, 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 dog.
Crow. Crow? Yeah.
Crow, yeah, crow. Okay, here's a hard one. Nope, not a cat.
Not a cat. That sounded like a cat to me. Where's the, what is it?
It's a canary.
A canary?
Where's the canary?
Inside the cat.
Oh, boy. Okay, Taco, you got any more?
Let's see. One more.
What was that, Taco?
A hummingbird.
A hummingbird?
Yeah, do you know why hummingbirds hum?
Why do hummingbirds hum? Anybody? Why do hummingbirds hum?